हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू एजुफेवरेन चैनल। आज आम वीडियो रे 8 जनवरी 14 जनवरी भितर जहाँ सब इंपोर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर्स अच्छी से सब डिस्कसन करिया। तो ये सब क्वेश्चन आपंकर अपकमिंग ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस फिल्म एग्जाम एवं अन्य एग्जाम पे यूजफुल हम। तो वीडियो को शेष देखो। चलो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करवा। फर्स्ट 8 जनवरी 2021 जहाँ सब इंपोर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर्स अच्छी से सब देखी नवा। ओके, Which state will organize the 4th Global Ayurveda Festival? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज केरला। The 4th Global Ayurveda Festival will be held at Kochi, Kerala from 16th to 20th May. The theme of the event is Ayurveda Medical Tourism, actualizing India's credibility. Okay. Global Ayurveda 2021 is being organized by the Center for Innovation in Science and Social Action, CISA. Ministry of State, independent charge of the Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, जो आयुष कहुची। तो तार मिनिस्टर किए देखो होचंदी श्रीपद येसो नायक। ओके, कैपिटल ऑफ केरला तिरुवनंतपुरम, चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ केरला पिनाराई विजयन, गवर्नर ऑफ केरला आरिफ मोहम्मद खान। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which state has launched the Krishi Sanjeevani Abhiyans to take labs to the agriculture fields to study soil, water and suggest pest control remedies? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज कर्नाटका। What is the full form of IUC which was making news recently? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज इंटरकनेक्ट यूजेज चार्ज। Dr. Raj Iyer has taken over as the first chief information officer of the army of which country? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज यूएसए। Indian American Dr. Raj Iyer has taken over as the first chief information officer of the US Army after the Pentagon created the position in July 2020. Next question, who authored the book India's 71-year test, The Journey to Triumph in Australia? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज आर कौशिक। ओके, Alan Borges, who passed away recently, was the world's oldest living first-class cricketer. He was from which country? तो यार राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज न्यूजीलैंड। What was the data provided through the Lassi Wave 1 report 2020, India's first and the world's largest survey of its kind that was virtually released by Union Minister Harshvardhan? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज एजिंग पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया। ओके, who has been appointed as the chief of Google Cloud Asia Pacific division? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज करण बाजवा। The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has capped the amount of trans fatty acids in oils and fats to what percent for 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 3%। एटा 2021 पे तो 2022 पे होची 2%। ओके, चेयरमैन ऑफ फेसाई जो होची रीता टियोटिया एंड सीईओ ऑफ फेसाई होचंदी अरुण सिंघल। India will be chairing which of the following key subsidiary bodies of the United Nations Security Councils? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। लिबिया सैंक्शन कमिटी, तालिबान सैंक्शन कमिटी, काउंटर टेररिज्म कमिटी। एबे 9 जनवरी 2021 जहाँ सब इंपोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स अच्छी से सब देखनबा। हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द फर्स्ट फुल टाइम डायरेक्टर ऑफ आरबीआई द कॉलेज ऑफ सुपरवाइजर्स? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज रवि नारायण मिश्र। Recently, Asian waterbird census was conducted by which of the following states? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज आंध्र प्रदेश। Recently, the guided multi-launch rocket system Fatah-1 was tested by which country? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज पाकिस्तान। When will India's first solar mission expected to be launched as per ISRO's plan for the decade 2021-2030? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 2022। Who is the author of the novel Right Under Our Nose? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज आर गिरिधरन। Who has launched the Dakhil portal that would help consumers safeguard their rights? तो ये राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज भरत भूषण आसु. What was the profession of Satyapal who has died recently? तो ये राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज he was fashion designer. In January 2021, Home Minister Amit Shah released the inaugural issue of National Police K9 Journal. What does K9 represent? तो K9 कौन रिप्रेजेंट करछे एठी होची राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज पुलिस सर्विस डॉग्स. Claire Polosak has become the first woman umpire to officiate men's test match. She is from which country? तो यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज she is from Australia. Raghavendra Singh Chauhan has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which High Court? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, उत्तराखंड. ओके, एबे 10th January 2021 रो जहाँ सो इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स अछि से सब को देखि नबा. Who has taken sole charge as president of COP26, the United Nations Climate Summit scheduled for Glasgow, Scotland in November 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, there is Alok Sharma. Okay, is the right answer. Who was the current permanent representative of India to the United Nations as of January 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन ए, that is T.S. Tirumurti. Faustin Archange Touadera has recently been re-elected as the president of which country? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन C, that is Central African Republic. Okay. Next question. The researchers of which of the following universities have discovered a new state of matter that is called liquid glass? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is University of Constance. Next question. When is the World Hindi Day observed globally? तो ये right answer होची आपन ऑप्शन C, जो कि 10 जनवरी को ग्लोबली ऑब्जर्व करा जाए. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When will India's vaccination drive, the world's largest immunization exercise against the coronavirus disease, kick off or will start? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 16 January 2021. Veteran former foreign minister Madhav Singh Solanki has passed away. He was the former chief minister of which state? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन D, that is Gujarat. What was the theme of virtual international Akhand conference EduCon 2020? तो यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन A, that is envisioning education for transforming youth to restore global peace. Okay, next question. Saurya salary account is a new product launched by which bank for the defense personnel? तो यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन C, that is Bandhan Bank. What was the theme of 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas that was celebrated on 9th January 2021? तो ये राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू आत्मनिर्भर भारत. एबे 11th January 2021 रो जसो इंपोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स अछि. Who has set a world record by naming 150 countries along with their capitals and identifying the flags in just 4 minutes and 17 seconds? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज टेसा खेमानी. Which among the following books was authored by Pulitzer Prize winner led Cornelius Manuel Sihan? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपन ऑप्शन डी, ए ब्राइट शाइनिंग लाइट, जॉन पॉल भान and America in Vietnam. Next question. What is the theme of the Road Safety Week 2021? The right answer is option D, save yourself to save your family. The coastal research vessel Sagar Avantika has recently been inaugurated by the Dr. Harshavardhan at which port? So here right answer is option B, that is at Chennai Port Trust. What is the projected GDP of India as per ISRA for the fiscal 2021 to 2022. तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 10.1%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द कॉफी टेबल बुक ऑन पीएम मोदी लॉन्च ड्यूरिंग द ओकेजन ऑफ 2021 प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस. तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज मोदी इंडिया कॉलिंग 2021. Who has been chosen as the official representative of BCCI for the ICC board meeting? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज जय शाह. What was the profession of Sri Tullapati Kutumba Rao who has passed away recently? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन डी, जर्नलिस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which country has committed official development assistance loan of rupees 2,113 crore to support India's COVID-19 relief efforts? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज जापान. Which state government launched a website COSFORM for water conservation under Indo-German program climate change adaptation in the Himalaya? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज मणिपुर. एबे 12 जनवरी 2021 रो जासो इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स अछि ताकू देखिनाबा. When is National Youth Day celebrated in India? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 12 जनवरी. ओके. In January 2021, who has become the joint highest goal scorer of all time in the history of football? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो. Which unmanned aerial vehicle will get the DRDO's indigenously developed retractable landing gear systems as of January 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपन ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज तापस BH-201. तापस BH-201 stand for Tactical Airborne Platform for Aerial Surveillance Beyond Horizon 2021, which is also known as Rostom 2. Okay. Next question, which bill recently got assent from the President of India in January 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपनकर ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज द इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट्स गुजरात अमेंडमेंट बिल 2020. Who was appointed as the head of 10-member empowered committee for administration of COVID-19 vaccine in January 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज RS शर्मा. Who defeated world's strongest bodybuilder Larry Wheels in January 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज राहुल पानिकर. India has a target to reduce the emission intensity to 33 from 35% by which year compared to the 2005 level as part of commitments made during COP21? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज 2030. A 13-day Khelo India Janska Winter Sport and Youth Festival 2021 will begin in January 2021 in which city? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज लद्दाख. Which of the following has partnered with Niti Aayog to launch the revamped women entrepreneurship platform? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज फ्लिपकार्ट. What was India's rank in the 3rd edition of Digital Evolution Scorecard 2020 developed by Tufts University's Fletcher School in partnership with MasterCard? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज फोर्थ पोजिशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉरी एबे 13 and 14 जनवरी 2021 रो जासो इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स अछि से सब को देखिनबा. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज 85. ओके, 85th रैंक होचे इंडिया रो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द थीम ऑफ 4th एडिशन ऑफ वन प्लैनेट समिट OPS 2021 दैट वाज वर्चुअली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय फ्रांस? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन ए, दैट लेट्स एक्ट टुगेदर फॉर नेचर. Which state has waived the examination fees for matriculation students of the ongoing academic session? तो यार राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ओडिशा. Which state government recently approved the one-time settlement OTS scheme for recovery of outstanding dues 2021 for traders in January 2021? तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी दैट इज पंजाब। हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक द पॉपुलेशन मिथ इस्लाम फैमिली प्लानिंग एंड पॉलिटिक्स इन इंडिया। तो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन ए दैट इज एस.वाई. कुरेशी। मेरा गांव मेरा गौरव प्रोग्राम इज एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस। तो यार राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी दैट इज ICAR जोटा कि होची फुल फॉर्म होची इंडियन काउंसिल फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल रिसर्च। After Tamil Academy, Delhi government has announced to establish Konkani Academy. Konkani is the official language of which state? So your right answer is option D, that is Goa. A team of all women pilots of which airline is said to create history by flying over the North Pole in an attempt to cover the world's longest air route. So your right answer is option C, that is Air India airline. Okay. Next question. Tesla will be starting a research and development center in which city? So your right answer is option D, that is Bengaluru. Okay. Last question. Which airline has deployed an ultraviolet robotic device to disinfect aircraft at Delhi airport? So your right answer is option A, that is Air India Express. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.